Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide your subscribed channel from others in YouTube. If you want to keep your YouTube subscription private, this guide will show you step by step how to hide that from others. First, open YouTube in your preferred browser if you are on desktop, and open YouTube app if you are on mobile phone, and the process is pretty much the same. But first, click on the profile icon if you are on desktop and go to Settings. In the Settings, navigate to Privacy. In Privacy Settings, you will find the option Keep all my subscription private. Make sure to enable this option. Once it's turned on, no one will be able to see which channel you are subscribed to. This is a crucial step for protecting your privacy, especially if you subscribe to a channel that you prefer to keep personal. Remember, hiding your subscription does not prevent others from seeing the content you interact with publicly. Videos you like, comment you post, and playlists you share may still be visible. Depending on your settings, however, your subscription list will now remain completely hidden from everyone. You can also toggle off different options, like you can toggle off mention and live chat. Following these steps is simple, but it's a powerful way to maintain control over online presence and protect your personal preferences, whether you use YouTube casually or professionally. Keeping your subscription private is a smart choice. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.